Hey guys, good morning. It's a good day. It's our first beach day of the season. We are driving out on the beach, which is like 0.2 miles from our house. It's the first beach day. It's like 70 degrees outside, taking the opportunity to have our first beach day. We've got Callie in the back. You ready to go to the beach? Packed a little cooler. And just gonna go sit out, have some lunch. People are staring. Yes, I'm vlogging. Hey, how are you doing? Okay, keep staring. That's awkward. Anyways, so we're going to the beach. Feeling blessed, feeling grateful to live at the beach because we can actually go do something when COVID is still around. So yeah. It's a beautiful day out. It's a good day. And I will see you guys at the beach. So bumpy. We made it to the beach. How happy are you?
Happy? I can't get in the water though.
We are here. Beach. Go get it, Callie. Go get it. Go get it. We are back from the beach. It was super nice. It was a little chilly. Second coffee of the day. I'm waiting on groceries to get here. I'm making my grandparents a lunch tomorrow, some salmon, so I had to order some groceries, waiting on those to be delivered. And then I have an Amazon box I need to open, so I figured I would show you guys what I got from Amazon. And then I think I'm just going to clean up the house and prepare because they're going to be here kind of early tomorrow, so I don't want to have to do it in the morning because I'll be cooking. But that's my plan for the rest of the afternoon, and I will see you guys when I am opening up my Amazon box. All right, so I'm opening Amazon boxes, and the first stuff I pulled out, I just filled this up with water and washed it because I needed some water after the beach. But I got a new Yeti, like, hydro flask thing, I don't know, but I got the straw top because I like drinking out of straws. So I got the new Yeti cup. I got a new trying to be a less shitty YouTuber. So I got a ring light, which this one's awesome, and you can change the color of the light and the brightness and everything. And this one was really cheap, but it had a million good reviews. So I tried this one before I got an expensive one, and it works so well. And then I also got, I've been seeing these like active sets everywhere, and I wanted to try one because I don't personally like spending $200 on activewear. My husband will spend whatever and get me like really good activewear, like Lululemon or whatever, but I do not personally like spending that. So I saw this beige color and I really wanted to check it out. It was really cheap. It was like $30 for top and bottom. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is really cute. It looks a little big on the top, but it's just like a sports bra. It has padding in it, which I'll probably take out. But the color and like the rib, so cute. And the leggings are really cute. And it feels like good quality, like it's not gonna be see-through. So that's that. And then this, okay, I can't do this with, yes I can, with one hand. This is open. Okay, this is just a, this is just another tripod I got. Let me get these shoes out of the way. Another tripod for my camera to sit on, because you should have seen the disaster I've been doing, like on top of a chair and then on top of a box, and it's just a hassle to set the camera. So I finally got a real tripod, so that's fun. And it's this brand. So yeah, so I am just marinating some steaks now for dinner. I'm gonna sit down and edit a video probably before I start cooking dinner. But yeah, just preparing, gonna sit down, relax, edit a video, get some work done, you know. This is just some balsamic vinegar and garlic. These look good. Throw these on the grill later with some veggies. Yum. Steaks are grilled. That one may have caught on fire, but it's okay. It'll add some flavor. Got the mac and cheese. Comment down below. Do you eat breadcrumbs in your mac and cheese, or were you one of the haters for my Thanksgiving meal that I put breadcrumbs in the mac and cheese? Brett. You don't eat breadcrumbs in mac and cheese? No. I didn't put it in here this time. You eat what I hand you. Alright, we are going to sit and eat dinner, and I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.